If you don't know ABCD of coding, you are a complete beginner in coding, but because of some reason now you want to learn coding, then how you should start? What should be the ideal path, the complete roadmap for a beginner? This video would be about this thing. We'll be discussing this thing in this video, right? I'm not going to tell you any shortcut to learn coding, right? There is no shortcut, but I'll be showing you the right path. You can follow that path and definitely you will be good at coding. I'm not saying that you will be expert at, in this field in coding, because no one is expert, to be very honest, in this field. Everyone is learning. It is a very vast field. Everyone is learning. Yeah, they are excellent but not expert, right? So we'll be discussing the right path, the ideal path to learn coding for a beginner in this video, right? Every point we'll be discussing in this video. But before that, I just want to tell you one thing. If you want to learn the in-demand skills, skills which are in demand right now in the industry, and you want to learn those skills but free of cost, then there is a platform which provide you free courses on these in-demand skills. That is SkillUp by Simplilearn. These courses are very well structured and self-paced courses, and these are curated by their industry experts, and these are absolutely free. So you can explore their free online courses. Different categories are there. See, you can see the data science and business analytics, cyber security, which is obviously important, which is an in-demand skill right now, like ethical hacking. In this category you have multiple courses. So how you can see, you can view the course if you want to view. You can just click on view the course, and what you will learn in this course, you will see it, a beginner level course, right? 3-hour course, and what skill you will learn in this course, who should learn this course, what they are going to teach you, the content they have given, and after completing the course you will get a completion certificate also that you can showcase in your resume, right? And if you have any further doubt, you can go to the FAQ section. So this is completely free. You will get 90 days of free access to learn this course after registering, right? Self-paced video lessons you will get according to your free time, according to your convenience. You can watch those videos. So just click on start learning, and then you have to register. Either you can sign up or with your Google account, Facebook or LinkedIn account, or you can sign up with your mail, right? You can explore the categories: machine learning, software development, AI, digital marketing, DevOps, cloud computing, big data, project management, agile and scrum. On every category they have multiple free courses: quality management, then business and leadership, IT service and architecture, digital marketing, which is one of the most in demand skill right now, and everyone should learn this skill, digital marketing. Here also you will get multiple, in this category, multiple free courses, right? So the link, the relevant link, I'll put in the description box of this video. You just check out that link, click on that link, and you can explore this platform, right? Now let's see how to start learning coding if you are a beginner. See, first thing, there are also categories in beginners. Like you are from BTech background, or you are from a science background, or you are from maybe BCA background, BSc background, or maybe you are, obviously for your placement you want to learn coding, you don't know but you want to learn coding, you have deadline 3 to 4 months you have, then what to learn, how to start, what should be the ideal path, you have enough time. Or maybe in the case, one case is there, you want to learn coding, it's just a hobby, or you want to upskill yourself, you want to start with an easy language, that can be also a case. Or maybe you are a school going student, just for fun, you want to learn coding, or it's like you are saying everyone is learning coding nowadays, even a 8-year kid, 10-year kid also, so you want to learn coding, right? Maybe you want to build a website, maybe you are in business, and for your business you want to build a website, either static website, dynamic website, maybe you want to build apps, maybe you want to build games. So there are multiple categories, right? First thing, why you want to learn coding, that is important. According to that, you have to choose the right path. There is not much difference like for every category, but yeah, first of all, decide why you want to learn coding, right? Maybe your colleagues or your friends are learning coding and they say that in coding or software developers are having very good package, then you want to learn coding. Any reason can be there to learn coding, but you are a beginner, you don't know ABCD of coding, right? So first thing, let me clear one thing to you. First of all, you have to make your mindset. to learn coding, right? Because coders are having a different mindset. Fine. Let me clear one thing, coding is, little bit tough to learn. It's not easy. I'm not going to demotivate you. I'm not demotivating you. My intention are pure. But I'm just telling you the truth. It is little bit tough. Coding is not like writing hello world program, sum of two numbers, Fibonacci series, product of two numbers, factorial of a number. No. It's not like that. You just have to, create these kind of programs and yes, now you have learned coding, you are good at coding. No. The actual thing is when you go to those concepts, the high level concept, advanced, like in any language, like arrays or more advanced topics, then definitely you are going to stuck. You will not able to solve the problems at first attempt. Almost 95% students not able to solve the problems at first attempt, then they try, then second attempt also, third attempt also, right? One problem, then they skip that problem, second problem, they are not able to solve that problem also, and at that phase you start demotivating, right? You will think that coding is not for me, there is no solution for this problem, I am not able to think, I am not able to build the logic, right, how to approach a problem, I am not able to think how to approach a problem, then coding is not for me and you quit. No. If you want to learn coding, that phase is crucial in everyone's. See, this happens with everyone. Just remember one thing, this happens with everyone, every beginner. But for every problem there is a solution. Just you have to search for that solution. For every problem you face, there is a solution. You have to find it, you have to search for it, that's it. You have to keep patience at that time, you have to keep going on that path. You can't quit that path, right? It doesn't matter if you are a slow learner, you are a tortoise, it doesn't matter, you have to keep going, that's it. You have to keep patience, you have to practice. Two things are there, learn the concept and practice, just two things. And just remember one thing, there is solution for every problem on Google. You have to search, write search and you have to find out that solution. And yes, you can learn. At that time you have to keep yourself motivated. Self-motivation would be required if you are going into this field. Right? I am not demotivating you, I am not saying that it is very tough, don't go into this field. No, but that is true. Because everyone starts, most of the people starts, but once they get into that phase, once they stuck, they quit. If you go through that phase, if you are able to go through that phase, then after that you will not face much difficulties, right? So you have to keep patience if you want to learn coding, right? It's not so easy, you have to keep this thing in mind, and there is solution for every problem, right? So you have to change your mindset, you have to be a coder mindset now. You have to set your mind, you have to change your mind. First thing, right? Now you are prepared, yes, now I want to learn coding. Second thing you need to keep in mind, anyone can learn coding. It's not like that the one from computer science background can learn coding. Anyone from BTech, BCA background, or if you are not from science background, then also you can learn coding, right? If you are a 10-year-old kid, if you are a 60-year-old, then also you can learn coding. Anyone can learn coding. This thing you have to keep in mind, right? I agree. Some are fast learner, they are very good, they have very good catching power, they have critical thinking, they can solve the problem easily. Some are slow learner, they need time to catch the things, right? But anyone can learn coding. Maybe you will take time, maybe your friend can learn coding, he is able to solve or she is able to solve problems within 1 hour of practice or within 1 month of practice, right? And you are still not able to solve. It's okay, don't compare yourself. Everyone is different, everyone devotes time to this skill. Maybe he or she is devoting 3 to 4 hours, 6 hours daily, you are devoting 1 to 2 hours only, right? So second thing, stop comparing yourself, don't compare, right? You have to learn, you have to keep in mind anyone can learn coding, right? Now what would be the ideal path to learn coding? See, first you have to choose a programming language, right? Now here let me clear one thing, do not spend much time by searching which language to learn first, which language is best to learn first, which language is best to get placed in top companies, which language is easy to learn. This mistakes many students do, they just search which language is best to use, which language I should learn first. They spend more and more time in this thing, searching and searching. No, you have to take action, just pick one language, any language, right? It may be according to your requirement, like if you are preparing for placements, you have 3 to 4 months, then I would suggest you go for C++ or Java, right? Any one language you can pick, any one language. Python is for those who want to learn easy language first, right? Python. And if you want to go in data science or machine learning, then definitely you should go for Python, R or MATLAB, but I would recommend you must go for Python. It is one of the most trending language right now. You will not regret if you learn Python. Definitely you are not going to regret if you learn Python, and this is easy to learn. The syntax are very simple, just it's like you are writing English in English only, right? It will take only I think 15 to 20 days or maximum 1 month to learn Python. So if you are maybe in school or you know, just for hobby or just for fun, just for upskilling yourself, you want to learn coding, first language you should choose is Python. For placements I would recommend go for C++ and Java. Now it depends on your requirement. For making, like if you want to make a website, you go for HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For games, C++ or C#. C++ I would suggest for game development, it is very fast. If you want to make app like Android app, Java, Kotlin, or iOS app, then Swift, right? Different languages according to your requirement. On that I have already uploaded a video which language you should learn first according to your requirement. You can check that video, video would be in this I button, the link. You go and check that video, but first thing is pick one language. Don't spend much time to decide which language I should learn first, and learn that language deeply. Don't switch, like right now I have chosen Python, right? After 10 days maybe someone is saying, or maybe you have seen another video on YouTube like C++ is good or Java is good for placement. Java has scope, Python is not having any scope, and Java is, companies are hiring people which are good at Java and all these kind of things, and you switch to Java. After that maybe back to Python or C++, these kind of things. No, please don't do this thing. Learn one language deeply, The secret is, if you have learned one programming language deeply, right, then you can easily learn any other programming language. It would be very easy for you guys to learn other programming language, right? This is the fact, right? One language you have to learn deeply according to your requirement. Just select Python, C++ or Java, Kotlin you want to learn, Go you want to learn, any language, right? But I would recommend, if you are a beginner, definitely you should go for Python, because it is easy to learn and you will feel confident, right? Yeah, I have learned a language, I am able to solve some problems, I have learned the basic concept. This is easy. So that way you will gain confidence. At first, if you will pick like Java, yeah, it is little bit tough, C++ little bit tough, maybe you will feel demotivated, like I am not able to learn the language and all. If you go for easy thing first and you have learned that thing, then you will feel confident, and then easily you can switch to C++ or Java, right? But according to your requirement, you have to choose language, right? For that you can follow the video. Now you have picked one language and okay, you want to learn deeply. Now second thing is, you have to follow active learning process while you are learning any language. It's not like that, okay, this course is very good because many resources are available, free resources, good resources are available. Just open the tutorial, you are sitting and you are just watching the tutorial. Yeah, that's it, yeah, I have done this. Okay, good, now next tutorial, next, you have completed that course. That is passive learning. You don't have to do this, please. This is the mistake, second mistake students generally do. You have to do active learning. You have learned one concept, try to solve problems on that concept. Practice. This is very much important. Practice, practice, practice. This is, please don't underestimate this thing, practice. Learn the concept, practice problem. Learn the concept, practice problem. Otherwise, you will forget the concepts. If you will not practice the questions, you will forget the concepts after some time. And you have to, finally, or maybe you think, now, okay, I have completed this course, now try to solve some problems. No, you are not able to solve problems at that time, and you will now, at that time, you will feel demotivated because, okay, you will think that I have learned, I have watched all the tutorials, I have got everything in the tutorial, still I am not able to solve the problems, right? Then coding is not for me. The main mistake you have done is, you have done passive learning, not active learning. With watching, you are watching that one video, okay, you have to practice that thing. Even if the video is very simple, like variables, you have to declare some variables, data types, still you have to practice, you have to type on your laptop, or maybe with a pen and paper you have to practice how to declare variables, how to initialize variables, what are different data types, then try it on your computer. Even if a small concept is there, but you have to practice. Active learning is very, very, very important in this case, right? Now you are now familiar with basics of that language. Like basics are in every language. We have some variables, data types, control statements like if, else, and loops. These things we have, arrays. You have learned these basic things, right? Practice problems on this, and after that you have to make project. This thing students don't do, the third mistake, they don't make any projects, just learn, that's it. No, you have to apply your knowledge, you have to make projects, even if start with simple one. Just make a simple app, simple page, web page you can make, right? On that web page, a simple button is there, you click on that button and some action is there, maybe some line is printing and all these kind of things. Simple one. On web page you can make, you can list down something like your best YouTubers according to you. Just click on that button and best YouTubers name would be there, information about those YouTubers and all these kind of things. Even a TikTok game. Maybe many will say like, don't do these kind of things, go for some good projects. But if you are a beginner, start with simple one. Simplest one I would say. Because that easily you can make simplest one, and that way it will boost your confidence. Yes, I have made this web page. I have made a simple game. It's okay, it is simple, but I have made this at my own, by myself, right? Then try different projects. You can add different functionalities and go for advanced level. That is further thing. But ideal path for a beginner is start making any simple project. You have to make a project. This thing is very important. So these three things are very important. Learn a language, pick one language deeply, and have to learn active learning. You have to follow practice problems, basics. You have to learn, then start making projects, simple projects. That's it. And you have to keep patience, you have to keep going on. Start with solving, if you are going to solve problems with simple problems, then go for intermediate level, then high level problems. Don't directly switch to, you see simple problem, oh that is very simple. Sum of two numbers, I know this is the thing, I don't have to write this thing, go for factorial of how to find factorial of number of any of a number. No. Sum of a number, even this is sum of two numbers, even if it is to print hello world program, you have to write that program with your own hand. With a pen and paper first, then on your laptop. Very important, don't underestimate these small things, right? Okay, you will be facing many difficulties and all, which language to learn first. On this I have a playlist, placement series playlist. On that you will find many videos regarding to that. The mistakes beginners do, what you should not do, what you should do, which language to learn first and all. Many videos I have made, so you can go through that playlist and you can watch that videos also, right? Now, if you think that this video would be helpful, really helpful for you guys, just let me know in comment section. And if you want me to make these kind of videos more, then also let me know in comment section, right? So now we'll see in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.